UMP ke Raja Sabha bat Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya Unit Dr.WR Kharlukhi hakakat neutral risau Raja Arwar ulakam ba kumbalong menta bat kat kum kidak kibapau hi ke National People Party kan sayo ba synshar marwei klaim le sanrop lang bat kanu ke parti hadian ke result election sayeng do bartawan ke jela house nam Raja Arpulai Dr. Kharlukhi lakren yakani ha jelang jong kinong ilam ke NPP Maukurat Block kabalalong menta kasi ha office tekam jong NPP ha Maukurat ha kabail den langru Presiden ke NPP East Castles upajit kurba Presiden ke NPP Maukurat Block ba ailat nongram kertong ke NPP na Maukurat sonsi upa HS dingdo lambat yui kwe kiri rangba
keno kedai jingkut jingmut jongi bat ngangam artetin kumbagi kumbong ba anbin hi hag jingpai jonga hagani kenti Ila men yo absolute majority agni state jong. Kakum gajing kain meng yo. Le kumno na khasi details ninum nuna ya arpho ni arpho sansi. Tang na gani gajaka jong. Klem de kren ya karhis. Namar kata ngonong ipi sisuang bai gitu kibai kwah bendang sorkar ali bani. Namar kumbo ong hi mene gadai kumbo ong bajet ni ba prostom kre kumta. Le chalis ni Ingwan sorkar, ini buat sahabat setelahnya. Nampak jongi deh, pilih jongi deh. Ini terailang. Ngamong kia, kenu cekah kamu ayu, ngeluar kuang melit lagi skill. Ngada pelong partikular. Basumut kedong jongi Pak Enbin, nene kedong jong dilian kene kenu. Ngan hak bekeli lagi. Ngan air rumah.
Shanda Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar, the institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation and doctorate courses. The state of the academic facilities of Shanda Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shanda Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.